Today was actually a decent day. Wasn't too crazy, thank goodness. Oh, I gotta go get gas. I really don't want to. Last week was definitely a trying week, but I'm glad today was a little bit better. So I just did a quick workout and now I need to go get gas, for sure. Hopefully we'll make it. Until I'm able to make dinner, I'm just gonna drink this Premier Protein plus oats. This is in the flavor apple cinnamon. It's one of my favorites. I just did a quick chest and tri workout. I've noticed that I love jump roping nowadays. I did some of that. I usually do 5 minutes in the beginning to warm up, 5 minutes at the end. I also am gonna go to my bank so I can deposit a check that I have. Thank you. You too. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my goodness. Things from you guys that was in my P.O Box, so I'm just gonna open this real quick. So sweet of you guys. I actually have to send out the thank you notes to everyone else that sent something. I just have to get stamps and then I'll send those out. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, look at this ornament. That is so adorable and so sweet. Thank you so much, Megan. Thin Blue Line USA is where she got this little ornament. This is adorable as all heck. Thank you so much, Megan. That's so sweet. And then, oh, little Thin Blue Line sticker. Now I need to go shower, do some skincare. I need to post that video. Oh, it's already like 5 o'clock. The day just goes by so freaking quick when I get out of work. My first video of my first Vlogmas is live. How exciting. I will put that in the screen so you guys can check that out. But I am going to be creating a playlist of the videos from Vlogmas this year. So check that out. Now I need to make dinner. It is 6:30 already and I need to edit tomorrow's video. I need to eat pane cannoli ravioli. I don't even know what I want for dinner. I'm just gonna make a ginormous salad. I have some arugula, power greens. I'm gonna use this spicy cashew butter dressing, banana peppers, corn, feta cheese, and green peppers. I'm a huge fan of making my own dressing, so that's actually what I'm going to do instead. 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, some oregano, let's take this off, a little bit of thyme, some salt, and pepper. I'm just gonna bring this over here and then pour a glass of wine. Hello? Why are you over there? I'm gonna try this 19 Crimes wine. I haven't tried this one before, so we're gonna give this a whirl. That's good. I'm gonna eat dinner now and watch some trash TV. Happy Tuesday! So, what are you doing? Get your belly. It's already 8 o'clock at night. That's so insane. Edit today's video so I can get that up for you guys tomorrow. Vlogmas, I feel like, is my favorite time of the year for YouTube, at least, because I love seeing everyone else's vlogs, and it's just so special to me because I'm actually participating in it this year, which is so crazy to me. I love you guys. I appreciate you each and every day. There isn't a day that goes by where I don't think about how much I appreciate each and every one of you. If some videos are a little bit shorter than others, that's just how it goes. I don't really do a lot during my work week. I think that it's gonna be good, so I'm excited. But yeah, the girls and I are probably just gonna get into bed. I'm going to edit. Before I go into my bedroom, I always tidy up. I just don't like a messy space. So I put the pillows back to normal. I pick up all of the girls' toys because they make a mess. When we talk about how bizarre this toy is, it's literally just a fanny of an animal. Oh, she stole it already. That's her favorite toy. Another thing before I go to bed, I always make sure that there's no dishes in the sink. So I washed all those. Those are all drying. Jeannie, Mommy's gonna carry this in for you. Can I have it, please? I'm just gonna carry it. Let go. I know. You guys are such silly puppies. But I love you. Before I lay in bed, I'm just going to apply this Pure Heals Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask. It's really hydrating. I have been loving this one and the MixEasy face mask. So good. They're very hydrating for the skin. Also gonna brush my chomps. So if you follow me on Instagram, I talked about this toothbrush. I have to report that I do not like it. So this one is more vibraty than brush worthy. Does that make sense? So my other toothbrush, which I think I'm gonna go back to Target and just get that one because they do still sell it. It was an Oral-B. That one brushed very well. This one just, it just feels like it's vibrating too much. Whereas the other toothbrush, I just feel like really brushed. I don't know how to describe it in any kind of other way. This one just isn't my jam. It's 8:18 right now. Thank you for watching this video. Happy Vlogmas Day 2, and I will see you guys tomorrow.